Welcome to this channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create route information in an Angular application by following its official documentation. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to get more tutorials. Let's get started by creating an Angular application. Let's add an Angular routing, type Y and hit enter. Now select Style Sheet, CSS. Now open this application with any text editor. My case, Visual Studio Code is preferred. Now navigate to this application by CD and start the development server with this command. Now launch this application using this URL. This is the landing page of this application. Okay, let's open app.component.html template and remove all of the HTML content except title and router outlet. Okay, save this file and also generate a component with this command ng gc for component. Enter the component name, hero list. Okay, and also create another component here, hero details. Okay, as the user navigates your application, you want to pass information from one component to another. Use a route to pass this type of information to your application components. So import activated route and param map to your component. Copy and open hero list component and here import. Okay, now inject the activated route into constructor. Okay, and now update the ng-on-init method to access the activated route and track the name parameter. Copy this and paste here. Define a property name. Okay, now use console log to display the property name value on console. Okay, now add the route for the component. So open app routing module and here add path, hero list, for hero list component. Okay, and then save this file and reload. Now display hero list component, hero list. Now get the name property value from this route using this URL, name equal, enter the name here, hero list hit enter and inspect and console. You will see the name parameter property here. Okay, and change here the name Bob, and you will see the changes. Okay, let's extract the id route parameter. Open hero list component. Here declare a property user id name. Okay, now save this file and open hero list component.html template, and here add html content. Add router link here, hero details. Okay, now copy this path and then open app routing module, and here set the route. Here enter the path value hero details for hero details component. Okay, now save this file and then open hero list component, and here add this line to pass the user id here. Okay, so we need to change the path here id. Okay, now get the id, open hero details component template. Okay, and here we need to inject the activated route instance. Okay, now define property my id any. Okay, and here change this variable with this. Okay, let's open hero details component, and here display the id my id. Okay, now save this file and verify. Access the hero list component and click on go to hero details. Okay, now click on this link. That's it. Okay, and here change the value. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.